Welcome to the future of culinary education. Generative AI isn't just for tech or business, it's also revolutionizing the culinary classroom. Today, we'll explore creative ways to use AI to inspire, educate, and elevate your students' culinary experience. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a tech-powered hub of creativity. Generative AI is all about creating, whether it's recipes, menu designs, or even artistic plating techniques. By integrating AI into your culinary curriculum, you can foster creativity, improve efficiency, and prepare students for a tech-driven food industry. In this video, we'll share 5 unique ways you can use generative AI in your culinary classroom to create a dynamic and engaging environment. Imagine giving your students a challenge. Create a unique dish using random ingredients. AI tools like ChatGPT or Spoonacular can generate recipes based on ingredient lists provided by the students. This teaches students not only how to cook, but also how to adapt recipes and think critically. Encourage them to evaluate the AI's recipe. Does it make sense? Can it be improved? How would they add their personal flair? Plating is an art form, and AI can help students visualize stunning presentations before they even pick up a spoon. Tools like DALL can generate creative plating ideas based on keywords like modern dessert or rustic Italian entree. This encourages students to think like artists and experiment with how food presentation impacts the dining experience. Planning menus is an essential skill for aspiring chefs. AI tools can generate menu ideas tailored to dietary restrictions, budget, or even cultural themes. Ask your students to input a theme like vegan Italian dinner or low-sodium holiday menu. The AI will produce suggestions, and students can analyze or adjust them for balance, creativity, and feasibility. Food pairing is where science meets creativity. AI tools like FlavorPrint or Chef Watson analyze data to suggest unexpected but harmonious flavor pairings, like chocolate and blue cheese or strawberries and basil. Challenge your students to create a dish using one of these combinations, pushing them to think beyond traditional pairings and explore new culinary frontiers. Kitchen management is as important as cooking itself. Use AI simulation tools like Kitchen Cut or Measure Up to create real-world scenarios where students manage inventory, minimize waste, and maintain profitability. These simulations prepare students for the fast-paced world of commercial kitchens, helping them build leadership and problem-solving skills. In today's culinary world, chefs are also marketers. Teach students how to use AI for food photography, social media captions, and even designing advertisements for their dishes. This gives them a head start in promoting their culinary creations in an increasingly digital industry. To integrate AI into your curriculum effectively, start small. Introduce one tool at a time and encourage students to explore and critique its output. Create group projects where students collaborate to use AI tools for everything from recipe development to plating and menu design. Use AI as a starting point, but always remind your students, the chef's creativity and intuition can never be replaced by a machine. Generative AI opens up endless possibilities for the culinary classroom, sparking creativity and preparing students for the future of food. What AI tools are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow instructors.